Good morning and welcome back to my channel. This morning we're starting this video in my kitchen because I'm doing a what I eat in a day as a detox day. The past few weeks I feel like I've indulged a little bit more and enjoyed a little bit more the treats, and I can definitely feel it overall in my body, and I just want to do a huge detox. So I'm gonna do it like probably for the entire week. But we're gonna start today, and I thought I would bring you guys along and show you what I eat. Now this is not gonna be like a huge detox week or anything like that. I'm just gonna be incorporating a few things in what I'm eating throughout the day that I don't normally do on a day-to-day basis, just to, you know, take care of that gut health and make sure that everything is cleaned out, I guess, and I feel good in my body. So let's get this day started. I need to make breakfast. It's already 10:40, which is so late. Typically I've already eaten breakfast by this time, but I went to the gym, I had to go to the grocery, and I also came back and washed my hair because my hair was disgusting. So we had a big morning. I'm definitely starving, so let's get into this video. Let's start off with a little grocery haul of everything that I got at the grocery store. First things, I got this huge loaf of bread. I thought this would be so good with some dinners and even breakfast. I don't really have any carbs in my breakfast, so I feel like sometimes this is just perfect to satisfy that little craving that I get sometimes. Next we got celery, some lemons because I am making lemon water this morning. I feel like my body just needs it. Some green onions, 3 things of chicken broth. I only have 2 right here in this bag, but the third one should be in the other bag. And then 2 things of this pumpkin spice creamer that I absolutely love. It is so good. And I've been going through them so fast, so I got 2. Some cucumbers, bananas, some fettuccinis. I'm gonna make fettuccine alfredo at some point this week because I've got some heavy cream to finish, and I've got a whole bunch of broccoli, so it's gonna be really good. My other chicken broth, 2 chicken breasts, sour cream, and it's low fat. I always take low fat, like sour cream and cheese and all that kind of stuff. Some roasted garlic hummus. I think this is gonna be so good as a snack and a great source of protein, and it's super filling. Last but not least, diced tomatoes because I am making a detox soup and I put diced tomatoes in it. And that's it. So I need to make food now, or like a drink, because I can feel like my stomach is empty. So let's do this. Okay, so for the lemon water, we're gonna do honey, which I've already put in the cup. 1 lemon, it's very small, so we're gonna do a full lemon, and then some cinnamon. So personally, I like just squeezing the lemon in rather than putting like slices of lemon. So that's what I'm doing. I've got my little lemon squeezer right here. And then a bit of cinnamon, or maybe a lot, but anyways. And then our warm water. Voila, we've got ourselves a honey, lemon, and cinnamon water. I used to make this every single morning before, and honestly it tastes really good. And I don't know, it just feels nice in the morning, like even before having a coffee, to have this warm beverage. I don't know how to explain it, but definitely try it out. I think it tastes good. It doesn't taste like just like lemon. It tastes a little bit sweeter, which is what I prefer. But I'm just gonna say this, the most important thing for me today is to drink so much liquid. So I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do celery juice, I'm gonna drink my 2 liters of iced water, I'm gonna have my coffee, and I'm hoping to have some tea this afternoon if I'm in the mood for it. I'm not gonna like force myself or anything, but Alex has been coughing just a little bit because of the change of seasons, and I don't want to get that cough either. So we're gonna do lots of liquids and like lots of warm liquids. So I'm gonna start with that. I'm gonna put everything away because I did not put anything away. Everything is still on the counter. And then we're gonna make some celery juice and then breakfast. I need to like eat. And then we're making as well a detox soup that I'm very excited about. Okay, I opened the lights in the kitchen because it was getting like so dark. It is so gloomy outside today. Like this is the perfect day for me today to be off because I did not feel like doing a whole bunch of things outdoor or like going to the mall and that kind of stuff. Like I just did not feel like doing that today. So I'm very thankful. But yeah, that's why the lighting is different right now. So I'm like halfway, or it doesn't, yeah, no, that's not halfway. I'm like 1/3 down my lemon water. and I've got some celery juice right here. And I'm gonna drink these, and I'm gonna start my detox soup, and I'll make breakfast after, because this is probably gonna fill me up, and I'm just gonna make a quick breakfast later, like nothing too big. But yeah, I'm gonna make that. It's now 11:15. Oh my god, I cannot believe how late it is already. But it's fine, because usually I typically eat breakfast like relatively early, around 9 to 10. But then I'll eat lunch around 1, and I'll be hungry at 3, so I'll be able to eat lunch at like 2, give or take, and then dinner at like 6:30, 7 o'clock. So everything's just gonna line up perfectly. It's totally fine, and it's giving me the chance to get all of these liquids in me right now, because I definitely need it. So I'm gonna get started on the soup. I'm making a cabbage soup, so let me show you guys what ingredients I'm using. I'm gonna do a really big batch, so I'm gonna do 1 big onion and a small one. I'm gonna do some carrots, some diced tomatoes, garlic, chicken broth, and then I have some ground turkey that's defrosting right now, because I was like, I need that source of protein in the soup, so I'm doing ground turkey. And I'm also gonna put cabbage, obviously. I've got purple cabbage. Is it purple or red? Purple or red, I don't know, whatever it's called, and green cabbage that's already chopped up from a previous soup that I had made in the past. I had way too much cabbage, so I just put a whole bunch in the freezer, and that's basically what's going to be in the soup. And obviously I'm going to put a whole bunch of spices as well. So I'm going to get started on the soup, and that's going to be what I'm going to eat for lunch later. Okay, so I'm done making the soup. It's now going to simmer for quite a while, just to make sure that everything is cooked properly. And now I'm gonna make myself breakfast. However, it is now noon, so I guess this is like a really late breakfast or lunch, I don't know, but we're gonna make breakfast. I bought, as you guys saw, this really yummy bread this morning. I'm gonna do 1 slice of this with 2 scrambled eggs, some green onion, a little bit of cheese, and some ham as well. I think that's just gonna be a really yummy breakfast. So I'm gonna make that, and then I'm gonna sit down, because I've been in the kitchen and I've been up on my feet for quite a while, and I just want to like sit down and eat breakfast. So I'll make breakfast and I'll update you guys right after. Okay, breakfast is served. So I've got my scrambled eggs, as I mentioned, with some ham, some green onion, a little bit of cheese. I put some feta and a bit of cheddar in there, and then some bread with a little bit of butter. And I'm not done my celery juice, so I'm just finishing that up. But yeah, this is breakfast. I just made myself a coffee. So basically my coffee is, I use like my Nespresso Virtuo pods, and I do the pumpkin spice creamer that you saw with some oat milk in my frother, and then I put that on top, and voila, you got yourself a beautiful coffee. So I'm gonna enjoy this, and I'm gonna stay on the couch for a little bit, but I'll update you guys when it's lunchtime, or like, I don't know, mid-afternoon snack time. We'll see. I'll update you guys next time I eat something. We're back, and I'm still on the couch. I've been having a very chill afternoon. I don't know like what it is, but I have no energy right now to do anything whatsoever. But anyways, it's like 3 o'clock and I'm starting to get hungry, so I just served myself some soup, and I thought I would show you guys like the finished product. So this is what it looks like. I feel like it doesn't look that good, but it's actually so good and super filling, which is what I need. I love that I added the ground turkey in it. I feel like it adds so much flavor, so definitely gonna be doing that in the future unless I don't have any, but I do think it's such a good little addition to the soup. I also finished my coffee. It was really good. Like honestly, that creamer is so good. If you have a chance to try it, definitely do. It is amazing. Like I was pleasantly surprised the first time that I got it. Now I just can't stop buying it. So anyways, I just thought I would show you guys that I'm eating again, because this is a what I eat in a day. Okay, so I've been working on some mood boards for the apartment, and they are turning out so great. I'm like so excited to like make them happen in real life. Like they're so good. They're actually so good. I'm very excited. But I'm kind of hungry. It's 4 o'clock and I'm just gonna make like a snack. I bought some hummus this morning, as you guys saw, and we've got these like pita crackers, so I think I'm gonna just do pita crackers and hummus. I was gonna cut up some veggies, but then like that just seemed like too much effort. So we're gonna go for like pita crackers and hummus. So we've got these right here, the pita crackers, and then this is like roasted garlic hummus, and I think it's gonna be so good, so I'm gonna snack on that. Not too much, just a little bit, because we are gonna be eating in like 2.5 hours, so I don't want to be full, but I just want like something to eat because I'm hungry. Okay, it's dinner time, and I defrosted some chili that I made like earlier this month, and it's time to eat. So I'm gonna show you guys how I like assemble our plates with the chili, because I'm not boring about it. First off, here is the chili. I'll have a recipe linked down below. It's a turkey chili, and I feel like it's a little bit healthier than any other type of chili, and I really like it. And then once our bowls are served, I put in some clean lettuce on top, just like this, to add some greens. I was gonna put some like steamed broccolis on the side, but I'm honestly not that hungry, and Alex either, so we're just doing our chili bowls. And I've also got some sour cream and some cheese as well. All right, so we've got the sour cream right under and some cheese, and that's dinner. What is up? I am currently editing this video, and once again I forgot to outro it, so I'm here to end it off. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I didn't show like too many recipes, but I will have a video with my celery juice down below, because I did make a video of me making my celery juice. So if you're interested, that'll be linked down below, as well as the chili recipe, which I didn't do that on a video, but I do have a recipe that's pinned on my Pinterest, so I'll have that recipe linked down below if you guys are interested. This was really just a detox day for me, so I did eat as I normally would, but I just incorporated a lot more liquids. The celery juice and the lemon water were extras as well. Never ended up making my tea, but that's fine because I just wasn't hungry or thirsty for it at all. But anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.